All right, you guys. Do any of you guys believe in Santa Claus? Well, I know Santa Claus, and I also know that Santa Claus has a brother. His brother's name is Lego Claus. Did you know that? Do you guys believe in Lego Claus? Well, I heard that Lego Claus was coming to town today. Wait a minute, there he is right there. Look at that, it's Lego Claus. Come on out, Lego Claus.
I can see him here.
So hey, you guys, whose birthday is it?
David.
Your birthday?
Oh,
We have a special birthday present for you.
the Grinch.
All right, Lego Claus, bring out his birthday present.
Watch out! This is Grinch! The Grinch!
There you go. And there's your birthday. Wait, what? Hey, the Grinch is stealing it. Oh, no. Lego police, 911. Help, Lego police, Lego Batman. Oh my God, they're there. Oh no. He's getting away with all the rest of the presents. Stop, Grinch, stop. What are you doing? Stealing the presents? That's not nice. Lego police, come here, hurry. We need your help. The Grinch is trying to steal the presents. Lego Batman, we need your help. Come on out, Grinch. Mr. Grinch, that was not nice of you. All right, Grinch. Well, you shouldn't steal presents. We're gonna have to take you to jail. Sorry. All right, get in the Raptor police car. All right, Lego Claus, can you drive all these presents back to the kids? All right, you guys go back over there where you were, okay? And the Grinch is gone. All right, Lego Claus, there you go. Okay. What else you got in there, Lego? Ooh, that looks nice. All right. What do you think's in the present?
What
What kind of toys?
Oh, it's Legos, I know it!
Are you sure?
Yeah!
Oh, really? You think so?
Lego! I know it's Legos!
Don't open them yet, okay?
I open it right back!
There you go.
It's Lego! It's Lego!
Let's see. All right. All right, there you go. All right, you guys. So, what do you guys think are in the boxes? You think so? Can you guys shake your boxes real quick for me? Shake them. Shake them up. All right. Can you open them up now and see what's inside, okay?
Paper, guys.
Do you like Legos? What is that? Oh, let's see what you got. You got the Lego seaplane there. What did you get? You got the buggy. That is awesome. You got the police vehicle. And you got a 3-in-1. You can build a car, a boat, and a truck. That's awesome. And you got a shark. Wow, a surfboard. That's so cool. And you got what? A Lego plane. You got the Lego police and the bandit motorcycle. That is awesome. What did you get? Pieces of paper. Come on.
Look at mine. I got the chocolate.
Can you guys help me real quick? Can you guys all line up and face me real quick? On the count of 3, I need you guys to say, shake up imagination. Could you do that? 1, 2, 3. Shake up imagination. Lego sets, okay? When you're done, you can build something completely out of your imagination with the Lego sets. That's what's so cool about Legos. Thank you so much, Lego Claus. Do you have to go back to the North Lego pole? Okay. All right. Well, we'll see you later, Lego Claus. Bye. All right, everybody. Can you say bye to Lego Claus? Bye. Bye, Lego Claus. See you later.
Guys, stop shaking my
All right, kids. Well, wasn't that fun surprising all of those children at the birthday party with presents? Lego! Hey, who's that? Did you see something back there? Oh, Lego! Hey, it's Axel! Hey, Axel, how you doing, buddy? Hey, Lego! What would you like for Christmas, huh?
I want a nature Lego set.
A nature Lego set? Lego! I can make it happen. I'll be right back, okay? Stay right here. All right, Michael, there you are. Check it out. What do you think? Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Perfect! Lego! Can you show the kids what you got? There you go. See that, kids? That's a cool set, huh? All right, who's next, huh? Come on, Daniel, come on over. All right, Daniel, what do you want for Christmas, buddy?
A Coast Guard Lego set.
A Coast Guard Lego set? Those are the best! Huh, I'll be right back. Ho, ho, ho. I mean, Lego, ho, ho. All right, there you are. Open it up.
You want me to help you? Nope. It came with a shark.
Oh, it's the headquarters, huh?
A Coast Guard and an octopus.
Can you show the kids what it is? It's the headquarters, the biggest one. All right, enjoy the set, okay? All right, Axel, come sit down right here. So what do you want for Christmas, Axel?
Star Wars.
A Star Wars set? Lego, ho, I can make it happen. All right, Axel. Wake up, Axel. Lego Claus is back. Wake up. Oh, it's okay. I'll give your present to somebody else.
No!
All right, well, go ahead and open it up, okay? Wait a minute, this is the wrong one. This isn't Star Wars. I'm sorry, I'll be back.
No!
I'm sorry, I'll be back. Hold on, no, wait, wait. You want Star Wars?
I think you want that instead.
Do you want this one instead, Axel?
Vote! Power function? It's RC!
It's a fully functional Lego Technic RC tow truck. All right, here you go. I don't know, who wrapped that? Yeah, that helps sure wrap it good, huh?
There's no such thing as
Oh, how do you know? What do you know?
Lego Claus.
This is the game.
That's the one I wanted.
I'll help you there.
That's the one I wanted. That's the one I wanted.
All right, well, I'll keep this one, and you can have that one.
I'll have this one. No, me.
You want both? All right, we can share them. How about that?
No.
I can half, you can half, okay? Come on.
No. No. Lego Claus, let go.
Legos are cool because you can make them into anything you want if you use your imagination. And Lego Claus is here to tell you to remember to shake up imagination. You guys get out and use your imaginations to live your life and love everyone around you. No matter what you have, no matter where you are, you can have fun and enjoy your life if you just use your imagination. Merry Christmas from Lego Claus. Bye!